AM Corporation, founded in 2011 in China. We have 5 manufacturing bases in Anhui, Guangdong, Hubei, Hebei, and Henan. It covers around 35,000 square meters and has more than 700 employees, including a professional R&D team of at least 70 people. Now, our factory can produce most types refrigeration parts of household, light commercial, and commercial air conditioner, cold stage, and industry chiller, such as PCB, evaporators, condenser, motor, filter, copper and steel fittings. And we also be an agent of GMCC compressor. If you have any interest, please feel free to contact us. Here is Joy. Thanks for your listening.